Point number 5, converting your money, getting your money converted before you get to Italy is critical. One of the things we learned, and we learned this lesson the hard way, we literally converted about $100 US in the airport, and I think we walked away about $52. Shocked and surprised, like what in the world just happened? Well, after we sat down, looked at it, we understood a couple of things. Number one, there is a 19% transaction fee that is applied whenever you have to convert your money, right? So one of the things you want to do is you want to make sure that you get your money converted before you get into Italy or before you get into Europe. Why? Because that 19% service fee is not calculated, I guess, in the U.S. We don't care about it. The fees are a lot smaller. Just imagine $100. For every $100 you converted, they charge you $19 just to process the transaction. No way. We can't do that. We need our money. First of all, the US dollar is already lower than the euro, so you want to make sure you convert your money before you get here. If you get here and you didn't convert, here's my advice. The more money you convert, the lower the fee becomes. So don't try to convert your money in pieces. Convert all of your money at once, and then the fee goes lower. So not only you have to deal with the fee, you also have to deal with the conversion rate, which is $1.23 today, $1.23. So you see the US dollar, the euro dollar, 23 cents more in value than the US dollar. The other thing you can do, if you didn't get it converted before you got here, all hope is not lost. If you have a major credit card, take the money off your credit card. Most credit card companies do not charge you a conversion fee to convert your money. Thanks.